A very warm good morning to respected judges, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Saloni Singh of class 11th of Kendriya Vidyalaya Panagar. Today I am here to present my 31st National Civil Science Contest. My focal theme of the project is understanding ecosystem for its health and well-being. My sub-theme is ecosystem-based approach for its self-reliance, and my project title is nutrient deficiency in soil due to alkaline nature. I had completed this project under the guidance of my guide teacher, Mrs. Kuhelika Bandyopadhyay ma'am and Mr. Dipayan Dev sir. As we all know that soil can be acidic, neutral or basic in nature. If it will be less than 6.5 pH, so it means that soil is acidic in nature. If it will be more than 7.5, it indicates the alkalinity of the soil, and if it lies between the 6.5 to 7.5, it indicates the neutrality of the soil. So, alkalinity impairs the plant growth by restricting the supply of water to the roots. It stops the root development. Alkalinity results to the deficiency of many nutrients such as of iron, calcium, phosphorus, zinc and sometimes boron toxicity. Plants have less ability to extract nutrients from the soil when they get damaged by the alkalinity. Alkalinity might be caused by receiving water which contain highly amount of alkaline substance such as sodium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. We collected few samples of soil and checked their pH level with the help of pH paper. We conducted survey in two areas, firstly near the lake and secondly we conducted survey in homes and asked questions to the people. And we checked the soil pH with the help of pH meter which was provided by our guide teacher. So here is the map of army base where we conducted the survey. So this data displays information regarding the nature of soil. There is found different types of soil in our region. So the mostly soil that was found is alkaline in nature, which was approximately 70%, and the second mostly found soil is neutral in nature, which was more than 23%, and the least found soil is acidic in nature, which was more than 6%, but least of all. We did survey of 40 plants, and out of them many of them are healthy and most of them have deficiency. So 30% of plants are healthy in nature, 20% have deficiency of iron, 10% have deficiency of phosphorus, 17.5% of plants have deficiency of manganese, 12.5% have of zinc, and there is no plant which have deficiency of nitrogen. 10% have deficiency of copper. Sir.
Start.
Here we can conclude after surveying that many of people were not aware about this problem. So we did survey and make them aware about this problem. The second major problem after this for this nutrient deficiency is found that use of chemicals in the plant. So chemical fertilizers are not good for plant because it decreases the fertility of soil and increases the pH. So thank you.